Happy New Year! Let's make stir-fried chicken. If you're looking into like high protein and high vegetable meal, this is for you. Once you're done cutting your chicken into strips, marinate your chicken with spices of choice, chicken masala, curry powder, paprika, cumin, or any other spice of choice. Play along with your spices as I say. You can also add corn flour as I have done, then mix well your chicken with the spices. After your chicken has marinated for the enough time you needed, fry it in hot oil and ensure it's cooked well. Keep on turning it until it cooks well. Yes. In the same pan that you had cooked your chicken in, add in your onions, then stir them well till cooked, till translucent, not cooked, translucent. Add some dhania stems to the onions, then garlic and ginger paste, then cook to combine, start to combine. Then add in salt, and I also used the cumin seed, the whole spice cumin seed for the best taste. Try it out and then stir well, and then yeah, enjoy. For the vegetables, ensure that you cut them into julienne, which means long strips like the carrots. Then add in your carrots. Then we will also add in colored capsicums, which is red, yellow and green. Yeah. After adding in all your vegetables, allow them to cook till soft, but for the capsicum, don't let them cook for long. This is a mixture of soy sauce, honey, ketchup and vinegar for that tangy and sweet taste. You can add it, but it's optional. If you prefer your stir-fried chicken, like you just want like the basic one, you can skip this step, but for the tangy and sweet taste, you can add it. Then at this stage, we will now add in our cooked chicken and then mix to combine, and we are done. You can sprinkle some sesame seeds over your stir-fried chicken and you're not done. Enjoy it with any cup of choice. Served mine alongside some turmeric rice. Enjoy, and be sure to tag us or tag me when you try any of these recipes. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. If you're looking into eating healthy this year and you don't have the time, be sure to reach out to me. I will sort you out and free you the hassle of thinking of what you are going to cook next. Follow me on IG and TikTok. Bye bye.